Today, we're delving into what is epigenetics. Gaining a basic understanding of how epigenetics works could be the key to unlocking your best health. Simply put, epigenetics is how our environment, the world around us, impacts our gene expression and therefore our health and longevity. Hi, I'm Elle, and as an intuitive wellness coach, I help women to manifest their best level of wellness by aligning with natural cycles. We live in a world of free will, and epigenetics is the effect that your lifestyle choices have on your genetic expression. It's the science of how our behaviors and the environment switch on or turn off our genes, creating incremental changes in our genome. When our bodies encounter a trigger, whether it's caffeine or pollution or exercise, we switch on a gene to help us manage that. Our body is constantly switching on and switching off genes. This is the world of epigenetics. Epi means above. It relates to things that are not in our DNA sequence code, but are beyond or above it. It's about how our genes behave and change due to external influences. Genetics is all about genetic variations. DNA is made up of 4 letters, A, T, G, and C. We each have 3 to 4 billion of these genetic letters in every chromosome group in our DNA. 99.9% are identical. At 0.1%, we differ from each other. So there are 3 to 4 million ways that our DNA is different to everyone else's. Gene expression can interact with and be affected by lifestyle choices. For example, stress can shorten telomeres at the end of chromosomes, which can lead to serious health issues such as cancer or heart disease. We can switch on around 500 defense genes to reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and enhance detoxification. An example of epigenetics is using food to switch on genes that are going to help us heal our bodies. These are our core cellular defense mechanisms that we can switch on with food. When we eat cruciferous vegetables, our bodies make sulforaphane, which increases detoxification by switching on a gene, NRF2, a transcription factor to regulate cellular resistance to oxidants. Trauma can be inherited for up to 4 generations due to epigenetics through DNA in the gut bacteria we inherit from our parents. There are many things that have an impact on our epigenetics: pharmaceuticals, our mood, our microbiome, complementary medicine, the seasons, diet, disease exposure, social interactions, sleep, meditation, exercise, and more. Every decision we make impacts our epigenetics. These choices have a huge impact on our health. We don't yet know if it's 50-50 or 80-20 between the world of our genetics versus our epigenetics, but it will be different for all individuals. And this is the world of nature versus nurture. In 2020, for the first time, researchers looked at the world of medical genetics, the genetics we're born with, along with the world of nutrigenomics or epigenetics. And it was the genetic ecosystem that determined whether someone could express a high-impact gene that could lead to disease or not. We now understand that all our genes are talking with each other. A single gene variant by itself is not so powerful. It's only when we look at gene variants together that we can understand them in the context of our choices. In this world of evolutionary mismatch, where our genes are being switched on in order to help us adapt to environmental changes around us, our choices matter more than ever before. So, what lifestyle choices will you commit to making for yourself in order to strengthen your health and longevity? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy living tips.